Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin. Our family lives in Texas. The temperatures are still summer-like here, even though the calendar says fall. But we are starting to see some signs of fall outside, and that has motivated me to want to create a comfy, cozy atmosphere inside. Today I'm going to be doing some cleaning, also cooking, and a little bit of fall decorating to get our home reset and transition from summer to fall. Before I start my cleaning, I decided to go ahead and get some rice cooking in my Instant Pot. I'm using brown rice today, and this is my favorite way to make rice. It couldn't be easier, and it comes out perfect every time. You just measure out equal portions of rice and water, a little bit of salt, and then you set it for 10 minutes, and it's always perfect. When the rice is finished, I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator and rewarm it to have with dinner tonight. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I have plans to use my Instant Pot to make dinner, and I'll be showing you guys a little bit later in the video what we're having. Now that the rice is going, I don't even have to worry about it, and I can start getting my weekly dusting done. And Austin is usually a really big fan of my duster. This is from eCloth, and it's the extendable duster. I have a link in my description box if you guys are interested in that. I really love this tool, and so does Austin. He was kind of sleepy, but once he saw me getting busy with the duster, he wanted to join in. Texas, it always seems to be rather dusty and dry, and with Austin coming in and out and some construction going on in our neighborhood, we are never short of dust around here. And as I was taking off the runner on this table, I realized how dusty it was too, but I have a solution for that as well. Our friends brought this table runner back from a trip to India as a gift for us, and I'm not sure of the care instructions, so I wouldn't dare put it in the washing machine, but I can put it in the dryer on the air fluff cycle with no heat with my dryer balls, and that gets all the dust right out. Now back to dusting, and I really need to dust the blinds in our kitchen nook area. I realized today just how full of dust they really are. It's something that I don't do on a regular basis with my weekly dusting. I will get it when I do zone cleaning, but sometimes it just needs a good cleaning in between. As I said, we just have so much dust around here. Whenever we open these shutters, I always have to use a ladder or a chair to get the valance curtain out of the way so that I can close them back up again. And this is something that kind of drives me crazy. And the previous owners had left the window treatments, and I've enjoyed them, but I'm thinking it might be time for a change around here. We have a central vacuum system in our home, and they're sort of an outlet, I guess you'd call it, in our laundry room, and it's the perfect thing for removing all of that dust from my duster. And wow, it was really dusty. I don't know when I last cleaned those shutters, but it was way past time. After the dryer worked its magic on the table runner, it was dust-free and ready to go back on the table. dusting complete, I can start having some fun, bringing in some fall decor items to cozy up our living space. The only two new things I added to our fall decor this year was this pumpkin that I picked up from the grocery store and this candle that I made. I just received my October recipe box from Simply Earth, and inside were 4 essential oils that are perfect for fall. 2 of the recipes this month were for candles, and I was super excited to give those a try. I love the Simply Earth company. They are my favorite source for 100% pure essential oils. Their recipe box is a subscription service, and this I think was my favorite one so far. I'm a huge fan of scented candles, but I really only like to use ones that have all natural waxes and fragrances, and this was perfect because the wax is soy and beeswax and the fragrance is 100% pure essential oils. Simply Earth also sells their essential oils individually if you're not interested in a subscription box, and their prices are about 1/3 of the major brands. So if you guys are interested in that, I always have a link in my description box below so that you can check them out. To the wax, I added cassia essential oil, which smells so much like cinnamon. It's a wonderful fall scent, along with sweet orange, which is very uplifting and citrusy. Another perfect for fall essential oil in this month's box is balsam fir, which is also wonderful for joint pain relief. Focus essential oil is the 4th oil. This is a wonderful combination of cardamom, frankincense, eucalyptus, and sweet orange essential oils. It helps to make you more alert, boost your creativity, and help you get your work done. This blend contains the same essential oils as In Tune by doTERRA and Brain Power by Young Living. So if you're a fan of those, you will love this too. Colored silk flowers I bought from Michael's last year, and it was really fun to get those back out of storage this year and display them on our coffee table. This mercury glass pumpkin came from Home Goods and was purchased last year along with this wooden one. I don't usually do a lot of seasonal decorating. I do more at Christmas time, but for the fall especially, I like having just a few pieces here and there, not an overwhelming display. I also have a lot of fun playing around with the pieces that I do have, putting them in different locations so that things aren't the same as they were in previous years. Now that I've had my fun with fall decorating, it's time to prepare my cozy fall meal. Tonight I am making a turmeric lentil soup in our Instant Pot. This is a perfect fall recipe. It just screams fall to me. If you like curry and things like that, you will love this. It's a plant-based meal, and it's just basically a one-pot meal. Our family absolutely loves it, and the ingredients are so wholesome. This is also one of those recipes that I love because you can put all of the ingredients into the Instant Pot, and in a very short period of time you have a soup or a stew that feels like it has been simmering on the stove all day long. Many of you have asked me to share some of our family's favorite plant-based meals, so I will have the recipe for this soup in the description box below. Two main spices in this rich creamy soup are cumin, which is so warm and flavorful, and turmeric, which has loads of health benefits. routine is always to clean as I go. So while the Instant Pot is doing its thing, I'm going to clean up everything that I was using here in the kitchen, and that will make cleanup after dinner so much easier. Another great benefit and bonus of making a one-pot meal like this in my Instant Pot is I don't have a ton of things to clean up afterwards, and so this makes my evening go so much smoother. Now that the soup is finished, you can really see why this is one of our family's favorite fall recipes. It is just so rich and creamy, and along with the rice, you don't need anything else. It is filling our home with the most wonderful aromas of the spices, the cumin and the turmeric, and the coconut milk in this recipe. So warm, so flavorful, and I know that you guys will love it, so I hope you'll give it a try. I like serving this dish piping hot, and so to protect our table, I'm just putting some hot pads down at each of our place settings. After dinner and a quick kitchen cleanup, we are going to try to head outside for our walk before it gets dark. The days are getting shorter, but if I hurry, we can get out there and enjoy the sunset as we take Austin for his evening walk. I moved the candle that I made over here by the sink so that I can continue to enjoy the smell of it while I'm cleaning up. It is heavenly. I absolutely love it, and I think I'm becoming addicted to making candles now. I think it would be so much fun to figure out all the different combinations that I can with the essential oils that I have, and being such a candle junkie, I can do it totally guilt-free.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond
enjoyed spending this afternoon and evening with me. I hope that it got you in the mood to get your home set up for fall and to start to enjoy this beautiful transition that we have at this time of year. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up so I'll know to keep making more like it. And if you're new here at Faith and Flour, I would love to have you join our YouTube family, so make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video.
Dream